My video guide is about removing the online scam that is related to the website mywebprotector.com. Mywebprotector.com is a dangerous website that attacks Google Chrome browser today. The purpose of this deceptive website is to scare customers into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. The website mywebprotector.com says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. It may also display some other scary messages that try to encourage people into clicking on this special proceed button. But to interact with these pop-ups by mywebprotector.com is extremely dangerous. If you click on that proceed button, you may be forwarded to some other malicious websites that may force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. So please be very careful. Do not ever interact with these fake alerts. They may also start displaying the great portion of ads if you click on this allow button by mistake. The allow button may be sometimes integrated into these pop-ups by mywebprotector.com. So first thing you should do is to disregard these pop-ups and not to interact with them. If you have clicked on this allow button, you might start getting the great portion of ads in the right part of your screen. So these ads need to be deactivated. Go to the menu, click on Settings. Now choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Carefully remove any malicious sites that could be causing such multiple ads on your screen. So just remove all these junk sites causing such pop-ups on your computer. There is a program that can help you do it automatically. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the software using this green button, install the application, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.